The brutal Kolkata rape and murder case that had happened of a doctor in a hospital. But for now, the doctors have met JP Nadda, and after meeting the minister, they have decided to also call off the strike. And but this means while they'll continue to outrage over what happened and demand further, they are basically they've called off because they demanded an impartial investigation in the rape and murder case. And after meeting the health minister, they feel that they have been assured that there will be a proper probe, so they've decided to get back to their profession. Calcutta High Court, meanwhile, has also cited serious lapses in the probe. Remember, amid all of this, Mamata government is under fire. It's not just about rape and murder, which is bad enough, but of a young doctor in the hospital, which is supposed to be the most safest space for vulnerable patients and doctors itself. Imagine a woman doctor taking a moment of rest after a long duty is raped and murdered.
उन्होंने हमें ये आश्वस्त किया कि वो डॉक्टर्स को सेफ वर्किंग एनवायरनमेंट देंगे। उन्होंने बताया कि जैसे हमने कल भी उनसे कहा था कि सारी चीज़ें जैसी वहाँ पे इन्वेस्टिगेशन होनी चाहिए उसकी तरफ वो सही रास्ते पे है। उन्होंने हमें सारी जो डिमांड्स हैं उसमें एक टाइम बाउंड मैनर में एश्योरेंस दी है कि उसको एड्रेस करा जाएगा। हम लोग फ्यूचर फॉलोअप्स ज़रूर लेंगे, हम लोग जल्दी आके इनसे मिलेंगे दोबारा। और उन्होंने हमसे कहा कि एक कमेटी गठित होगी जिसमें हम लोग भी हिस्सा होंगे, रेजिडेंट डॉक्टर्स, और हम लोग इस चीज़ के लिए जो हमारा डिमांड है सेंटर प्रोटेक्शन एक्ट, इस पे फोडा आगे की तरफ स्टेक होल्डर की तरह मेंबर बनते हुए जल्दी ही जल्दी इसको लाने की पूरी प्रक्रिया शुरू कर पाएगी।
I want to bring in my colleague Shreya Chatterjee on that. Shreya, it's so gruesome, and you and I have gone through the details of the autopsy to even imagine what that woman had to face. There's been a justified outrage over it. Tell us about the dimensions of this case. Why do the doctors feel they need to get back to their job right now? What has been assured to them? And meanwhile, the updates coming in from the case.
Well, Pooja, there are two protests that are simultaneously taking place. One was called by FODA and the other by FIMA. Now, even when the protest by FODA has been called off after visiting JP Nadda, because they suggest they've got a reassurance in the entire process that JP Nadda will be looking into the entire changes also in the system, especially about the security concerns of the doctors. FIMA continues their protest. So that in itself will be important to see how the services, especially in the multiple hospitals that the doctors will be sitting on protest, will be hampered, because FIMA has also announced that they will give a call for the OPD halt. So that in itself might cause a stir once again. But given the fact that the intensity and the nature of the crime is so gruesome, it's only justified to see the kind of protest that is pouring in, because irrespective of an investigation simultaneously happening, this is about lapses on the part of the government to provide security in a workspace, and that to the sheer fact that this woman was actually, after working a long hour, taking a sleep, taking a nap, and that is when she went through this unfortunate incident, gives chills down every woman who's in workspace and every person that way. And that's the reason we're seeing the kind of protest that is actually pouring in the entire country.